You're gonna need 2 or 3 chayotes. Cut them lengthwise, once and twice. And use a vegetable peeler to remove the central part. And the peeling. After that, cut them lengthwise again. And transversely too to make little cubes that fit in the mouth. Put the cubes in a pan with water and set a medium heat. And let it cook until it's soft. This should take about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, cut an onion in half and stick Indian cloves in it. This will taste the milk, which will be used to make the white sauce. Put this onion with the Indian cloves in a pot. And add the milk. Turn on the fire and let it boil for a few minutes. Turn off the fire and let it cool. Drain the chayotes that have been cooked. And put it on the tray where it'll be served. And now is the time to make the white sauce. The sauce known as bechamel. Put 3 tablespoons of butter or margarine in the pan. And add 3 tablespoons of wheat flour. Keep mixing everything up in medium heat. Observe that the color changes to light brown. And feel an almond smell, very pleasant. Turn off the fire. Pour the milk and use the whisk to mix until homogenized. Don't forget to remove that onion and discard it before putting the milk in. Mix it all up. Season with a little salt, a pinch of black pepper, and a little nutmeg, which is typical of this bechamel sauce. Now turn on the fire and stir until it thickens. That's it. We can now add this white bechamel sauce over the chayotes in cube. And above all, spread some grated parmesan cheese. And is ready to serve. Or you can gratin in the oven, that would look really good too. I'm sure even people who don't like chayote will change their mind after they try this dish. How about it? You gonna try it?